Welcome to MND Education. Today I am going to discuss about Standard 8th Science Workbook, Chapter 2, Main Questions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Before starting our session, thank you so much for growing my channel, and if you come first time at my channel, please subscribe, like and share my channel. To understand all questions, watch this video up to end. So let's start. So, chapter number 2, Microorganisms, Friend and Foe. The first question is, choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter in the box provided against each questions. Now, the first question is, the following is an antibiotic. The real answer is B, streptomycin. Second question, carrier of malaria causing protozoan is blank. So the answer is a female Anopheles mosquito. Third question is, which of the following disease is caused by a virus? So answer is polio. By which of the following is dysentery caused? The answer is protozoa. Which microorganism causes typhoid? So the real answer is bacterium. Which of the following is a bacterial disease? The answer is cholera. Which of the following microorganisms have chlorophyll? So its answer is algae. What is the fungus seen on moist or stale bread called mold? Which of the following is alga? So the real answer is Chlamydomonas. Which of the following is not an antibiotic? It's aspirin. Which of the following is responsible for the spread of tuberculosis? It's air. By whom is a disease cholera spread? It's water. Which disease has seen eradicated from the world? It's smallpox. Which of the following was invented by Alexander Fleming? It's penicillin. Against which disease does BCG vaccine give protection? It's tuberculosis. Now the next MCQ, by what does AIDS cause? So the answer is virus. Now the main question 2, fill in the blanks. Microorganisms can be seen with the help of a microscope. Blue-green algae fix nitrogen directly from air to enhance fertility of soil. Now the third blank is, alcohol is produced with the help of yeast. Fourth, cholera is caused by bacteria. Tuberculosis is caused by bacteria. Malaria is caused by protozoan. Dr. Edward Jenner discovered the vaccine for chickenpox. Now the eighth blank is, a technique to make microbes free milk was discovered by Louis Pasteur. Now the ninth one is, the bacterium Lactobacillus promotes the formation of curd. 10th is, the use of yeast is necessary in the baking industry, making bread, cake and pastries. And the last blank is, during alcohol fermentation process, carbon dioxide gas is produced. Now the main question number 3, answer the following questions in one word. Which disease is spread by female Anopheles mosquito? It's malaria. What is the full form of TB? It's tuberculosis. Who discovered the Bacillus anthracis bacterium? So it's Robert Koch. Which protozoan has the shape like a chappal or sleeper? It's Paramecium. Which unicellular microorganism has irregular shape? Amoeba. Milk is heated to a proper temperature and then suddenly chilled to prevent the growth of microbes. What is this process called? It's pasteurization. Who is the carrier for dengue virus? It's female Aedes mosquito. Which unicellular microorganism is autotrophic? It's Chlamydomonas. Now the right wrong. Chickenpox is caused by virus. It's right. Aspergillus is a protozoan. It's wrong. Now the third right wrong is, yeast is a multicellular fungus. It's wrong. Lactobacillus are disease causing bacteria. Wrong. Rust of wheat is caused by bacteria? No, wrong. Common salt and edible oils are the common chemicals generally used to check the growth of microorganisms. So the answer is right. Now the question number 5. Answer the following questions in one sentence. What are the major groups of microorganisms? Bacteria, fungi, algae, and protozoa. Give the name of any 4 viral diseases. It's common cold, influenza, rabies, hepatitis, and polio. Now the third question, give the name of any 4 bacterial disease. It's cholera, tuberculosis, typhoid, pneumonia, and anthrax. Now the fourth question, give the name of disease caused by protozoa. So it's malaria and amoebic dysentery. Now the fifth question is, give 3 names of protozoa. It's paramecium, amoeba, and euglena. Give 3 names of fungi. Penicillium, aspergillus, and bread mold. Now the seventh question is, from which is antibiotic production achieved? From certain bacteria and fungi. Now the eighth question, state any 4 names of antibiotics. It's penicillin, streptomycin, tetracycline, and erythromycin. How does food poisoning occur? Food poisoning occurs due to consumption of food spoilt by some microorganisms. Now the 10th question, give 2 names of chemical preservatives. It's sodium benzoate and sodium metabisulfite. What are called communicable disease? Microbial diseases that can spread from an infected person to a healthy person through air, water, food, or physical contact are called communicable diseases. Now the definition, fermentation. The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol by yeast is called fermentation. Pasteurization, the milk is heated about 70 ounce Celsius temperature for 15 to 30 seconds and then suddenly chilled and stored. This process is called pasteurization. So friends, hope you are enjoying this video. Thank you so much.